Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Stripe webhooks to sync subscriptions for mobile. Complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Stripe webhooks for syncing subscriptions in your mobile application, begin by logging into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Locate and click on the Webhooks option. Select the Add Endpoint button to create a new webhook. In the endpoint URL field, enter the URL of your mobile backend that will receive webhook notifications. Choose the specific events you want to listen for, such as customer.subscription.created, customer.subscription.updated, and customer. Now, copy the signing secret from the webhook details page. This signing secret will be used to verify the authenticity of incoming webhook requests. Next, set up your server to receive the webhook notifications. In your server code, create an endpoint that matches the URL you provided in Stripe. Make sure to parse the incoming request body for the received webhook data. Use the Stripe SDK for your chosen programming language to handle the incoming requests. Verify the signature using the signing secret to ensure the webhook is legitimate. Extract the relevant event data from the request body. Then, implement logic to update your subscription database based on the event type. For a customer.subscription.created event, add the new subscription details to your database. For customer.subscription.updated, update the existing subscription information. In the case of customer.subscription.deleted, remove the subscription from your database. Test your webhook by triggering events from the Stripe dashboard. Check the logs in your server to confirm that the webhook was received and processed correctly. If everything is working as expected, move on to handle any additional events as needed. Once the webhook is fully tested, you are now ready to sync subscriptions for your mobile application. Make sure to monitor the webhook for errors or missed events regularly. With this setup, your mobile app will stay in sync with Stripe subscription data seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.